I'm just tea. Come and cook with me. I'm just tea. Come and cook with me. I'm just tea. Hey everybody, what's going on? It's your girl, Just T. You guys, I'm like, let me come on here and show you guys because I was not about to do this video, but I'm actually about to make some smiley face fries. Oh my gosh, you guys. So I was like, let me go ahead and show you guys what I have in this bowl. I have some small potatoes now. I didn't have the big potatoes, so I'm using the small ones. So if you're going to use the big potatoes, I would say like the russet potatoes, you probably can use like 2 big russet potatoes. But like I said, I have small ones. So I have a few of those in here and you're going to cook those. You want to boil those until they're done. You're going to drain them. I usually let them cool off a little bit because you can't work with them when they're hot. So then you're just going to go in with your fork or whatever it is that you're going to use. And you just want to just squish them up. Just smush them all up. Like if you were making mashed potatoes or something. All right. So I'm just going to go ahead and get these smushed up. And I'll bring you guys back when I move over to the next step. Okay, guys. So now I went ahead and I mushed up the potatoes, right? So this is how they're looking. You want to try and get as many of the lumps out. You want to make sure that you don't have that many in there now. It's going to be some in there, but you just want to try to get all of them out. So what I'm going to do now is just going to go in with a little black pepper. Excuse me. A little black pepper and a little salt. I like to see how much salt I'm putting in here. So you can always salt it at the end. And then we're also going to go in with some cornstarch. Just about a couple tablespoons of cornstarch. I'll try and list it in the description box. But you only need about maybe like a couple teaspoons of cornstarch or tablespoons of cornstarch. So I'm going to start out with about 3 teaspoons of cornstarch. And I'm going to go ahead and get my hands in here because you want to get it mixed up really good. Just want to get that mixed in. Let me put this down here. Kids would love to do this, I swear. Kids love getting their hands dirty, you know, so this would be something awesome to make with some kids, you guys. And I'm trying to just get this all into a ball, but I'm trying to get everything mixed up really good in here, so you don't have to mush it all up and stuff. Because then we're going to roll this out. Now, I'm going to use probably a cup or something to roll mine out with because most of my kitchen gadgets are all packed up still in this house. So I'm going to have to get a little ghetto with it, but it's okay because I'm from the hood and I'm going to make it work regardless. I'm going to make it work, y'all. Make it do what it do. Okay, so you want it to be, you know, something like this. I want it to look something like that. You see the consistency it is. It's almost like a dough. All right, I'm going to go and get this cleaned off and then I'll bring you guys right back. Okay, guys, so now I'm back and I just have this on some parchment paper, not parchment paper, some saran wrap. And I'm just going to try and roll this out. Now, normally you want to do this with a rolling pin, but like I said, my stuff is packed up, so I'm using a sippy cup. So, or you can use a glass, because I do have a glass in there. You can use a glass as well. But I'm using a sippy cup because I'm also going to use this cup to roll out the circles that we're going to need. I'm trying to see, can you guys see that? So you just want to get this really flat. Okay, guys, I finished rolling it out. And again, like I said, you can just use a cup or a glass or something, you know, to just roll it out if you don't have a rolling pin. And so I just used the sippy cup, but then I just skipped on over to this. So, and as you can see, it still works. It's not a rolling pin, but it still works. And at the end of the day, that's all that matters. Just trying to get to the end result. So you just want to make sure that everything is nice and even, okay? And so now, if you at this point have a cookie cutter, then you want to go in with your cookie cutter and you just want to cut out little round circles like that. So I'm going to do a couple. And then I'm going to start making the smiley face. But I'm telling you guys, kids would absolutely love making this. So you're going to go ahead and going to get yourself a whatever you can to make the shapes with. And I'm using this as a kebab stick. So I'm just going to go in and make a dot for the eyes. I ain't no artist, y'all, so mine probably going to look a little funny. You know, they're going to look a little funny. But you want to make some holes in there. And then for the mouth, just so I can see what I'm doing upside down. So just going to go in and make the mouth. So you want it to be open some. So you guys can kind of see. Let me try and get this one out so I can show you guys what it looks like. So you can see it a little bit, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and try to finish these other ones, and then we're going to move over to cooking these, okay? This will be so much fun, though, for kids. I really think it would be. I'll bring you guys right back. Okay, I know I only showed you guys one, so I'm going to just show you guys again with this one right here. So, and if you mess up, only thing you have to do is just crumble it, you know, roll it back up again and just push it down and roll it out and start all over again. It's all about having fun, you guys. It's not about if they're perfect or whatever, because I am not an artist, okay? So you're going to go ahead and you're going to, after you cut out your shape, you want to go ahead and use something to make the eyes with. And so I'm just pushing this stick down and just spinning it around. And you're going to make your mouth. Now, me, I'm going to try and do it this way because I've been doing it upside down and it's been working better for me. But you just want to make your smile. And so once you got that shape, what you're going to do is just go in and just try and push it down a little bit. Because once you take it out, it's going to open up some more as well. Like I said, it's not perfect, but it's still cute. It's still cute. Yeah, it's still cute. Y'all, it's cute. Tell me it's cute. No. I'm back and I went ahead and finished cutting out my smiley faces, you guys. I've been having some fun with some of these things because you can do so many different faces. You know, I think kids would have fun making these. I tried to do the little side smile. You know, it's not all perfect, but I had fun doing these. I swear to goodness, like, look at this, you know, so many different things you can do, you guys. So right now I have my oil on the stove heating up on like a medium heat, and we're going to go ahead and fry these. And also I want to let you guys know as well, if you make these and you have a whole lot, you can also freeze these. The potatoes are already cooked, so you can go ahead and freeze them and then just fry them, you know, once you take them out. I would like, if you freeze them, I would put wax paper or something in between the layers so that they don't stick together. But you guys, this is so fun to make. I'm telling you, kids will have an awesome time making these. Look at those, you guys. OMG. Look at them all smiling and stuff all in the pan. Ha ha. So you want to just cook these, fry these until they're a nice golden brown on both sides. So you want to kind of watch them, you know, same as if you were making French fries, basically. Look at them, they're so nice and fluffy, you guys. They're nice and fluffy. I still want these to go a little bit longer. You see, there we go. Let me get them babies out. I don't want them to get no darker than that. I will show you guys in a second. I have a wire rack that I'm just putting them on. So I can let that excess drain off. And we're just going to go ahead and go back in with the other ones that we have. And this one is cute. The little side smile. They're a little warm. Let me show you guys how they look. This is how they're looking, you guys. Look at them. They're so cute, right? So freaking cute, you guys. Kids are going to love those. They are. And they taste good as well. Guys, welcome back. So here are the smiley face fries, you guys. Look at these. They're so freaking cute. Look at those. And it was so very easy to make, as you guys saw. And you can just do all the different little shapes, you guys. Look at those. Kids would love to make these. Heck, I have fun making them, so I know kids will. All right, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, you guys. And as always, I hope you all stay forever blessed, y'all. It's just T. I'm out. Look at those smiley face fries. OMG. Thank you so much for watching. Stay forever blessed.